Hey class, now it's time for your first quiz. The quiz is going to be on the syllabus. So if you don't feel comfortable taking the quiz yet, if you have any questions, if you're just not ready to take the quiz, go ahead and click the syllabus button below to review the quiz again. Now this quiz is 50 points, so take it seriously. That 50 points is worth more than any other assignment that you're going to have this semester. You have 45 minutes for the quiz. You can actually take it twice. So let's say if you take it the first time and you feel like you didn't do good, go ahead and take it again. And if you do better, we will save the highest grade. Oh yeah, one more thing. I'll be giving out digital badges this semester for every A or B that you get on the quiz. So if you get an A or B on this quiz, you'll be getting this. Now this digital badge is the Super Syllabus badge. It means that you're an expert in our syllabus and you're gonna go a long way. Now again, you'll get the Super Syllabus badge if you get an A or B on the test. Again, you could take the quiz twice and you have 45 minutes each time you take it, and we will record the highest grade. Take your time, read the instructions below. See you after quiz.